Good morning, children. How are you? I am Naveen sir, your maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Yesterday we discussed the revision of understanding 3D and 2D shapes. Today we will discuss the new topic about symmetry. Today we will discuss about new topic symmetry. Symmetry. The definition of symmetry is an object can be divided into two parts which are coincide with each other or exactly match with each other is called symmetry. So the definition of symmetry: an object can be divided into two parts, then the two parts are coincide with each other, are exactly match with each other, then such type of objects are called symmetrical objects. Look at the examples of symmetrical objects. This is one of the historical place of Telangana, that is Charminar. And more Caesar and butterfly and alphabetical letter H. These are all symmetrical objects. So let us discuss about. Now let us discuss symmetrical figures. Look at here. What is this? Yes. This is a Charminar, one of the historical place of Telangana. So this Charminar figure I folded like this. Like this I folded. So look at the part. So Charminar I divided two parts. Say like this. Here looking 2 minutes. And here also looking 2 minutes. So are they coincide with each other? Yes. Are they exact match with each other? Yes. So the Charminar is a symmetrical figure. So the Charminar is a symmetrical figure. If we divide it into two parts, the two parts are match with or coincide, exactly coincide with each other. Next, what is this? Butterfly. Yes. So this butterfly also I fold like this. Figure I fold like this. Look at this. Yes. This is one part and this is another part. So did I divide it into equal parts? Yes. Both are I divided into equal parts. Both are exactly matched with each other. Then the butterfly is also a symmetrical figure. What is this? Caesar. So in daily life, in your kitchen, mother will use. Yes or no? Yes. So this Caesar is also a symmetrical figure. See, if I fold it like this, the figure Caesar, look at the figure parts. The two parts are, yes, the two parts are, both are coincide with each other, exactly match with each other. Then this Caesar is also an example of a symmetrical figure. Next, what is this? Alphabetical letter H. So this alphabetical letter H I folded like this. So you look at the parts of H, two parts. Yes, yes, they are coincide with each other. They are matched with each, exactly match with each other. Then the letter H is also example of a symmetrical figure. So these are the examples of symmetry figures. So one more time, the definition of symmetry: an object is divided into two equal parts, or an object is divided into two parts. The two parts are coincide, exactly match with each other, then it is called as a symmetry. It is called as a symmetry. So this is the definition of a symmetry. Next, line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. The definition of line of symmetry: an object is divided into two parts along dotted line, then one of the part is exactly coincide with the other part, then the figure has a line symmetry or axis of symmetry. So we call it as a line of symmetry, or we'll also say axis of symmetry. So the definition of a line of symmetry: an object is divided into two parts along a dotted line, then one part is exactly matched with the other part, then the figure has a line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. So look at the chart about line of symmetry. So I took some geometrical shapes: square, rectangle, triangle and pentagon. So here the square is divided along the dotted line, and which are two parts. This is first part and this is second part. First part should be exactly coincide with second part, and second part should be coincide with the first part. Then the square has a line of symmetry. Here rectangle, yes, this rectangle also divided into two parts along dotted line. Then one of the part is exactly matched with the other part. Then the rectangle has a line symmetry. Triangle, see the triangle is also divided into two parts along the dotted line. Then one part is exactly matched with the other part. Then the triangle has a line of symmetry. Pentagon, here the pentagon is also divided into two parts along the dotted line. This dotted line is called as a line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. So the definition of line of symmetry or axis of symmetry: an object is divided into two parts along the dotted line, then in the two parts one of the part is exactly matched with the other part, then the figure has a line symmetry or axis of symmetry. So these are the examples of a line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Next, multiple line of symmetry. Some objects have one line of symmetry, and some objects have more than one line of symmetry. So here the definition of multiple line of symmetry: those objects have more than one line of symmetry are called multiple line of symmetry. So here the examples of multiple line of symmetry: square and rectangle. So by using color chart, we will identify the number of line symmetry of square and rectangle. So this is a square chart. All sides are equal. So this square I folded like this horizontally. Yes, the two parts are equal. So the square has a horizontal vertical line symmetry. So here this is a square. Like this we can divide the square horizontally, and same square I divided like this vertically into two parts. First I divided horizontally like this two parts, equally two parts, and next I divided vertically as a two parts. The two parts are which are exactly matched with each other like this. And moreover, this square I divided like this diagonally, I divided. Yes, so these are both are, we got triangles. See this is one triangle here, and this is this side, this is one triangle. So diagonally also the square we can divide into two equal parts. They are exactly matched with each other. So diagonally like this, and another diagonally also we can divide like this. So the square has a how many line symmetry? Horizontally 1, vertically 2, and diagonally also 2. So the square has a how many line symmetry? The square has a 4 lines of symmetry. The square has a 4 lines of symmetry. So this is called a multiple line of symmetry. Next, rectangle. So this is a color chart of rectangular shape. So this rectangle I folded through horizontally. So this is first part and this is other part, both are exactly matched with each other. So here this is a rectangle. So this rectangle horizontally I drawing the line of symmetry. Yes, both are divided into equal parts. And this rectangle I divided vertically. So here vertically also both are equal parts, match exactly with each other. So like this. So rectangle has a horizontal line of symmetry and vertical line of symmetry. So the rectangle has how many line of symmetry? 2 line of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry. So this is about multiple line of symmetry. The multiple line of symmetry, those objects have more than one line of symmetry is called a multiple line of symmetry. Here the examples are square and rectangle are multiple line of symmetry. These two geometrical figures are examples of multiple lines of symmetry. The square has 4 lines of symmetry and the rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Homework problems on symmetry. First one, define symmetry with example. So write the definition of symmetry and give some examples. Second one, define line of symmetry with examples. And third one, define multiple line of symmetry with examples. So you should write the definitions of symmetry, line of symmetry and multiple line of symmetry with examples you should write. Thank you.